What if I told you there's a simple formula that helped me go from living paycheck to building true financial freedom? It's called the 75 to 25-10 rule, and in the next few minutes I'm going to break down exactly how it works and how you can start using it today, no matter your income level. But before we dive in, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe, because I drop game-changing financial strategies like this every single week. Trust me, you don't want to miss out. Let me ask you something. Are you tired of feeling like your money controls you instead of you controlling your money? I've been there. I used to think financial freedom was some pipe dream only for the wealthy or lucky. But then I discovered this rule that changed everything. The 75-25-10 rule isn't just another budgeting hack. It's a lifestyle framework that creates automatic wealth building while still letting you enjoy your life right now. No extreme sacrificing, no deprivation, just smart allocation. Here's what makes this different from every other financial advice you've heard. This rule is designed to work at any income level. Whether you're making $2,000 a month or $20,000, the principles remain the same. And that's the beauty of it. Okay, let's break down the first number, 75. This is the percentage of your after-tax income that goes toward your living expenses. And I mean everything you need to live and enjoy life. Here's what's included: rent or mortgage, groceries and dining out, transportation and gas, utilities and phone bills, insurance payments, entertainment and leisure, subscriptions and memberships, personal care, debt payments. Now here's the key insight most people miss. 75% is your maximum, not your target. If you can live comfortably on 70% or 65%, that extra money amplifies your wealth-building power exponentially. But here's the critical mindset shift. This 75% is guilt-free spending. Yes, you heard that right. If it's in your budget, enjoy it. Go to that concert. Buy that coffee. Take that trip. Why? Because restriction breeds resentment, and resentment destroys financial plans. The secret is being intentional. Every dollar in this 75% should align with your values and bring you genuine joy or necessity. Cut the waste, keep the worth. Now we hit the game changer. 25% goes straight to savings. But wait, before you panic thinking, I can't save 25%, let me explain why this number is actually achievable and absolutely critical. This 25% is your freedom fund. This is what stands between you and financial catastrophe. This is what turns you from vulnerable to unstoppable. Here's how to structure your 25%. Tier 1, Emergency Fund, Priority 1. Your first goal is 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a high-yield savings account. This is your sleep-at-night money. You're the car broke down and I don't panic fund. Tier 2, Goal-Based Savings. After your emergency fund is solid, this money targets specific goals. Down payment for a house, starting a business, major purchase you're planning, wedding fund, education expenses. Tier 3, Additional Security, extra months of emergency savings, insurance deductibles fund, medical savings account, opportunity fund for unexpected chances. Here's why 25% is perfect. It's aggressive enough to build wealth fast, but realistic enough to maintain consistently. Consistency beats intensity. Every single time. Pro tip: automate this transfer. The moment your paycheck hits, 25% automatically moves to savings. You can't spend what you don't see. Here's where the real magic happens. That 10% within your 25% savings? That's not sitting idle. That 10% is your wealth-building machine. Wait, you caught that, right? The 10% comes from the 25%. So your breakdown is actually 75% living, 15% savings, liquid, accessible, 10% investments, working for you. This 10% goes into growth-oriented investments. Here's where: investment vehicles, retirement accounts, 401k, IRA, Roth IRA, index funds and ETFs, individual stocks, if you know what you're doing, real estate investment trusts, REITs, bonds for stability, starting or investing in businesses. Here's the mind-blowing part. Let's say you make $4,000 a month after taxes. That's $400 per month invested. Over 30 years at an average 8% return, that's over $600,000 from just 10% of your income. But it gets better. As your income grows, and it will, you keep that 10% consistent. Promotions, raise, side hustle income, 10% of all of it gets invested. The key principle: pay yourself first. This 10% isn't optional. It's not if there's money left over. It's priority. Before Netflix, before fancy dinners, before impulse purchases, your future self is begging you to do this. Okay, so you're thinking, this sounds amazing, but how do I actually start? Let me give you the exact implementation strategy. Step 1. Calculate your after-tax income. Take your monthly take-home pay, not your gross salary, what actually hits your account. Step 2. Set up separate accounts. One checking for the 75% living expenses. One high-yield savings for the 15% liquid savings. One investment account for the 10% growth. Step 3. Automate everything. Set up automatic transfers the day after payday. 75% stays in checking. 15% transfers to savings. 10% transfers to investment account. Step 4. The 90-day challenge. For the first 90 days, track every expense. Use apps like Mint, YNAB, or even a simple spreadsheet. This isn't forever, just until you understand your patterns. Step 5. Monthly review and adjust. Last day of each month. 30-minute review. Are you staying in the 75%? Is your savings growing? Are your investments performing? What needs adjustment? Pro strategy for beginners. Can't hit 25% savings right away? Start where you are. Month 1-2. Save 10%, invest 5%. Month 3 to 4. Save 15%, invest 7%. Month 5 to 6. Save 20%, invest 9%. Month 7 plus. Hit the full 25% with 10% invested. The goal is sustainable progress, not perfection. Any movement toward this ratio is a win. Let's address the elephant in the room. You might be thinking one of these things. Obstacle number 1. My income is too low for this to work. Reality check. The rule scales. If you make $2,000 a month, you're saving $500. That might seem small, but it's $6,000 per year plus investment growth. That's more than what many six-figure earners save because they haven't controlled their 75%. Obstacle number 2. I have too much debt. Strategy. Include minimum debt payments in your 75%. Then use part of your 15% liquid savings to create a debt elimination fund. Once debt is gone, that payment becomes extra savings. You're still building the habit. Obstacle number 3. Unexpected expenses always derail me. Solution. That's literally what the 15% liquid savings is for. Build it to $1,000, then $2,000, then keep going. Unexpected expenses become expected with preparation. Obstacle number 4. I need to enjoy life now. Paradigm shift. This rule gives you permission to enjoy 75% guilt-free. Plus, you're building future freedom. This isn't deprivation, it's optimization. Obstacle number 5. The economy is too unpredictable. Counterpoint. That's exactly why you need this system. Market crashes? You have savings. Job loss? You have emergency funds. Opportunities? You have investment capital. This rule makes you anti-fragile. Let me show you how this works in real scenarios. Scenario 1. Entry-level professional monthly income, $3,000 after tax. Living, 75%, $2,250. Liquid savings, 15%, $450. Investments, 10%, $300, year 1. Results, $5,400 saved plus $3,600 invested. After 10 years, 8% return, $66,000 saved plus $55,000 invested. Scenario 2, mid-career professional monthly income, $7,000 after tax. Living, 75%, $5,250. Liquid savings, 15%, $1,050. Investments, 10%, $700, year 1. Results, $12,600 saved plus $8,400 invested. After 10 years, $154,000 saved plus $129,000 invested. Scenario 3, high-income professional monthly income, $15,000 after tax. Living, 75%, $11,250. Liquid savings, 15%, $2,250. Investments, 10%, $1,500, year 1. Results, $27,000 saved plus $18,000 invested. After 10 years, $330,000 saved plus $276,000 invested. Notice the pattern. The principle stays the same. The results scale with your income. This is why lifestyle inflation is the enemy. As you earn more, maintain the ratio and your wealth compounds dramatically. Real talk. The person making $3,000 who follows this rule will be wealthier in 20 years than the person making $10,000 who doesn't. Guaranteed. Here's what nobody tells you. Financial freedom is 80% psychology, 20% math. The 75-25-10 rule works because it hacks your brain in 4 powerful ways. Psychological principle number 1. Clear boundaries. Your brain craves clarity. When you know exactly what you can spend, 75%, you eliminate decision fatigue. No more, can I afford this? Anxiety. If it fits the 75%, you're good. Psychological principle number 2. Automatic motivation. Watching your savings and investments grow triggers dopamine. Same chemical as social media likes, but this actually builds your future. You get addicted to wealth building. Psychological principle number 3. Identity shift. Following this rule changes how you see yourself. You're not someone who tries to save. You're someone who automatically builds wealth. Identity drives behavior. Psychological principle number 4. Delayed gratification training. Every time you stick to the rule, you strengthen your delayed gratification muscle. This spills over into every area of life: health, relationships, career. You're building character, not just wealth. The mindset shift. You must stop thinking, I need to save what's left over. Start thinking, I'll live on what's left over after saving. That single shift is worth millions over a lifetime. Literally. Ready to take this to the next level? Here are advanced strategies once you've mastered the basics. Advanced strategy number 1. The Income Acceleration Protocol. Every raise, bonus, or side income, allocate it this way. 50% to investments, beyond your 10%. 30% to accelerated savings. 20% to lifestyle improvement. This prevents lifestyle inflation while dramatically accelerating wealth. Advanced strategy number 2. The 75% efficiency audit. Every quarter, audit your 75% spending. What brought zero value? Cut it. What brought massive value? Optimize it. Redirect the difference to the 25%. Goal: live better on 70%, save 30%. Advanced strategy number 3. Tax optimization. Use tax-advantaged accounts for your 10%. Max out. 401k match. Free money. Contribute to Roth IRA. $7,000 year limit. HSA if eligible. Triple tax advantage. 5 and 29 for kids' education. This turns your 10% into 12 to 15% through tax savings. Advanced strategy number 4. The wealth acceleration window. Once you hit 12 months of expenses saved, keep 6 months in liquid savings, safety. Redirect the rest of your 15% to investments. You're now saving 10%, investing 15%. Your 25% is working harder for you. Advanced strategy number 5. Create multiple income streams. Use knowledge from your 75%, passions, skills, and capital from your 25% startup money to build side income. Every new stream follows the 75-25-10 rule. Wealth multiplies. Let's bring this home. The 75-25-10 rule isn't just a budgeting method, it's a life system that creates freedom while maintaining joy. Here's what this rule really gives you. No more money anxiety, automatic wealth building, permission to enjoy life now, protection from disasters, compound growth working 24/7. A clear path to financial independence. The 3 questions you need to ask yourself right now. 1. Where is my money currently going? 2. What would my life look like with financial security? 3. Am I ready to commit to this for the next 90 days? Here's your immediate action plan. Today, calculate your after-tax income and your target numbers. This week, set up your 3 accounts. This month, automate your transfers and start tracking this quarter. Review and adjust 90 days from now. You'll thank yourself for starting today. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to start and stay consistent. Small steps compound into massive results. If you found value in this breakdown, show some love. Hit that like button and subscribe for more financial strategies that actually work. Drop a comment telling me, what's your biggest challenge with saving money? I read every single one and I'll personally respond. Your future self is watching you right now, hoping you'll make the right choice. Don't let them down. This is your moment. Take it. The 75-25-10 rule starts now.